Okay, today we're going to talk about vertical angle proofs. So this is something that starts on homework 20. The very first thing we look at is our given. Remember, our first reason is always going to be given. Now we know angle 6 equals angle 8. That's our given. So let's mark those congruent here, angle 6 and angle 8. We're trying to prove that angle 10 equals angle 8. So we want this angle to be equal to this one. Now we don't know anything that says those are equal, but we do have a reason that says vertical angles are equal. All right, so maybe we need to write a statement about either 8 or 10 and how they're related to different angle. Now, angle 8, we don't really know much about that one. So let's look over at angle 6 over here. So it looks like angle 6 and angle 10 are congruent because they are vertical. So this one is also congruent right there. So our second step is going to say angle 6 equals angle 10. Reason, vert angles are equal. Okay, sorry about the messy handwriting over there. Now, we're looking up here at our given again, and we're going to look at our second step, and we're trying to see what we need to prove. So angle 6 is equal to angle 8. Angle 6 is also equal to angle 10 in step 2. So that means we can substitute and say that angle 10 equals angle 8, and we're going to call that step 3. Now, I'm going to remind you that sometimes our proofs have more lines in them than we need steps, so you can leave a line blank, that's okay. Here's another example of a vertical angle proof that we might see. Looking at our proof over here, the first reason is always going to be given. Now we know angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Let's mark that in our diagram. We want to show that angle 4 equals angle 3. So first we need to find angle 4 in our in our diagram. All right, and angle 4 is related to angle 1 because it is a vertical angle with angle 1. That means it's congruent. All right, so now we have 3 congruent angles in our diagram over here. We want to write something about angle 4, like we said. So let's call our second step angle 1 equals angle 4. And our reason for that, vertical angles are equal. Okay. Now, looking at steps 1 and 2, 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 1 is equal to angle 4. So we know that we can substitute angle 3 in for angle 1, and we're going to call this step 3 then. Since angle 1 is equal to angle 3, it's also equal to angle 4. That means angle 3 and angle 4 are congruent, and our reason is substitution.